Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. We're busting a huge myth that trips up a lot of new investors. The idea that a high stock price per share means a company is bigger, better, or performing well. Think about it. Apple stock is around 170 a share, while Amazon is around 180 a share. Both massive companies, right? But then you have a company like Berkshire Hathaway Class A shares trading for over $600,000 per share. Now, a lot of people see that number and think, holy shit, Berkshire Hathaway must be a trillion times better than Apple. And that, my friends, is the illusion. So let's stop thinking about a company's value like a single stock price and start thinking about it like a pizza. Imagine two pizza companies. Company A is Pizza Pie Inc. They baked one giant delicious pizza for the entire world to share. But here's the kicker. They've only sliced it into 4 massive pieces. So each single slice of this pizza is pretty expensive because there are so few of them. That's a high stock price per share. Now we have Company B, Slice of Life Company. Their pizza is the exact same size, tastes just as good, and is just as profitable. The only difference, they've sliced it into 100 tiny pieces. Each slice is way cheaper, right? The price per slice is totally different, but the value of the entire pizza is exactly the same. This is the most important lesson you can learn. The price per share is just the price of one single slice. It has nothing to do with how big or valuable the whole pizza is. Boom. So if the price per share is useless for comparison, what should you be looking at? 2 words: market capitalization. Market cap is the total value of the entire pizza. It's the price of one slice multiplied by the total number of slices available. It's the number that tells you how big and valuable a company really is, not its single slice price. This is why Apple, with its billions of shares, has a massive market cap.
Turn left onto North Kerr Avenue.
Son of a bitch. Sorry, my apologize, my GPS is on, and I'm probably not going to edit that out. This is why Apple, with its billions of shares, has a massive market cap. Even though each share costs less than a fancy dinner, it's a whole gargantuan pizza sliced into a bajillion pieces. Berkshire Hathaway's pizza is also massive, but it's only sliced into a few pieces. See the difference? So the next time you hear about a stock with a sky-high price, don't get tricked into thinking it's better than a low price one. It's the same pizza, just sliced differently, perhaps. Stop watching the stock ticker like a hawk and start looking at the entire financial picture. This is the difference between being an investor and being a gambler. This is all about the Kaizen philosophy, making small, consistent improvements to how you see the world of finance. It's about building a solid system, not chasing a get-rich-quick number. To help you get started, I've created a free, simple Kaizen Kickstart checklist. It's a 2-page guide to simplify your life and make your finances work for you, 1% at a time. Click the link in the description to get it today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Boom. Boom.